All right, kiddos, I know why you're here and you know why I'm here. We are here today to talk about my top 5 Funko deals of February. And welcome to those who are new here. Make sure you are subscribed and following me on all social medias. I'm Disney Theory, and I talk about everything Star Wars, Marvel, Disney, Funko Pop related. All right, let's kick it off with some Star Wars Funko Pops. I picked out 2 that I think are the best deal going on right now. They may be a little bit pricey, but hey, these are good Funko Pops. And if you swoop them up now, if you plan on selling them later on, like a few years down the line, whatnot, you'll be making some serious bank off of these ones, I'm sure. So the first one we got is a really cool one. It's the 10-inch Mandalorian Funko Pop. So if you're into the Mandalorian, if you're into Star Wars, if you're into 10-inch Funko Pops, or you just want your very first big Funko Pop, this one's the one for you. And by the way, I'm gonna have the links to all these in the description below. So on Amazon right now, the original price of it was $39.99. Right now, it's going for $29.99. Save 10 bucks. Not a bad deal, you know? For a 10-inch pop. Great stuff. All right, next up, I've covered this one before, and this one keeps going on and off of deals. And this is something I want to collect. It's the Echo Base series. These ones are really cool because you put them all together and they form like one gigantic area of Funko Pops. So it's this one right here. It's the Wampa. It's an Amazon exclusive. If you're wanting to collect the series like I am, definitely get them when they're having sales. Originally, this pop is $24.99, but right now it's going to a very awkward number of $15.22. And it's showing that it is in a limited time deal. So if you want to start collecting these series, do it as soon as possible because they're going to sell fast. All right, then this next Star Wars one is super cool in person. And it is a bigger Funko Pop too. A lot of the bigger Funko Pops have some of the best deals on them because they're a little bit more expensive. I don't think you're ever gonna find a deal better online or at a store better than like $8 for a Funko Pop. So there's not much you can really do. Anyways, I do also happen to have the Funko Pop right here. So it's the Mandalorian with child on the Bantha. This one is, this one's a super cool pop. Another fine addition to my collection. So normally it's $32.99, but right now it's going for $24.88. So yeah, pick that up if you can. All right, next up we're gonna talk about the Marvel Funko Pops. Now, a lot of the ones that came out during Funko Fair and stuff like that, everything is basically online on Amazon, and a lot of those are actually, the price is cut from $10 to about $8. So if you don't mind waiting a few months and you really want these pops, I would suggest pre-ordering them. That's a little side note. But let's get back to my number 1 pick for this Marvel. All of the Marvel ones that you can get right now. So it's the Blacklight series Spider-Man, and it's just the Spider-Man. The pop is super cool. I actually have it, but I have it in the box still with the t-shirt. So it's the t-shirt and the Funko Pop bundle, and it's an extra large, so it's way too big for me anyways, so I just decided to keep everything in the box. But really good deal. Yeah, really good deal if you want just like a few dollars off of this pop. And man, the Blacklight series pops look so good. Oh, so it's originally $68.95 and right now it's $62.95. So you save a few dollars. It's not a huge like $10 savings off of it, but it is a savings, and it's one that a lot of people want. So I would suggest swooping it up as soon as you can. There you go. A little side note, on the Funko store, they're also selling the Blacklight series Iron Man. I believe it's going for like $15, I want to say. So if you haven't checked the Funko store already, go check that and get yourself a Blacklight series for almost retail price, which is crazy because they're not out anywhere except for from, you know, scalpers selling them for way too much. So this one I kind of have all bundled up into one for the Disney ones because they are kind of the same set and they have the same deals for all of them. For the Disney thing, there's not one specifically that I think takes the cake for like the best deal. But anyways, so the 65th anniversary Funko Pops, they're the Funko Pop ride ones, and those ones look great. I love the Disney Pop ride ones. Oh, like for instance, this Peter Pan ride one. Yeah, and they come in like the design of the box and everything just looks so good. So they're all on Amazon right now. Normally they're $29.99, but right now they're $27.79. So if you want to add some of those 65th anniversary Funko Pops, the ride Funko Pops to your collection, great place to start would be those. Another little side note, as I was scrolling through the vast display of Funko Pops on the Amazon store, was a lot of the Disney Funko Pops are having sales going on right now. So a lot of them are instead of $10 now they're $8. So if you wanted to pick up you want to fill your collection with more Disney Pops for as little money as possible, definitely check those out too. So basically what I'm saying is a lot of the Disney Funko Pops are having a sale right now, and I think the whole Disney Funko Pop thing on Amazon as a whole is a great deal. But yeah, that's all I got for you. So thanks for sticking around. And if you've stuck around until now, make sure you write Disney Theory is awesome in the comments so that I know you a real homie. All right, thanks for being here.